Looks like there's at least 7 cars in there. 7 train cars, and the first one caught fire. They're fighting the fire from the other side of the tracks. There, you see the water. This is right out back. Actually, right out front of our office, DJ Sound and Lighting, where the train passes by every day. There's usually 4 tracks here, and all of them, of course, are red. There's something interesting, is Amtrak or Conrail, one of the two, I believe it's Amtrak, just put this gate in, and now the police and fire can't get up there. So I think that's why they are on the other side of the track. You see the siren, the siren lights in the wires. You see the reflection.